Miss Griffin, you are suing Miss Lackey for a ruined hairstyle, hair replacement, and punitive damages in the amount of $3,600.
Yes, ma'am.
And Miss Lackey, you have countersued for pain and suffering in the amount of $2,000, lost wages $1,600, and hair and new shoes in the amount of $400.
That's correct.
Total of $4,000.
That's correct.
What is your relationship with Miss Griffin?
I thought she was my friend.
Okay. How long were you friends, Miss Griffin?
We've been about 8 months.
Okay, so you've been friends for 8 months, and how'd you meet?
At the bar, we worked at Fat Daddy's.
And so what happened?
It started, we were friends, like I said. Kelly did some things with traffic court or whatever, and she had to serve 9 days.
And what were you going to jail for 9 days?
Driving under suspension. When Kelly called me and told me she was going to jail, it was like that Thursday or Friday before we went to work.
Right.
I told Kelly, I said, you know, well, you want to make sure you carry some money in there with you because you're going to need it. That Saturday, I went to visit her.
Okay, so what happened during that visit to the jail? Did you tell her you needed some money?
Actually, they didn't take my cell phone while I was in there. They didn't
How
check
could you
me.
get into jail with your cell phone?
They didn't check me good enough, and I had my cell
So
phone.
you could talk to your friends and everything?
I wasn't talking, I was texting.
Okay, did you text this lady?
Been texting her, letting her know that I was okay. She came down there, like she said, that
Right,
Saturday.
right.
And she asked me, do you need anything? I said, no, I'm okay. I'm all right, I'll be all right.
Okay.
So when I got back from the visit, I was a little funky. So I texted her. I said, Nakia. I said, Kia. That's what I said. Kia, I'm going to take you up on that offer. If you can send me, put like $20 on my books.
Did you get a text from her saying I need $20?
Yeah, she
Day
did.
two?
And it wasn't about deodorant. She was hungry is what she told me.
Okay, were you hungry too?
I said hygiene, and I was hungry.
What did you do?
I told her I would. That was Saturday. She wanted me to bring it right down there right then. I said, well, Kelly, it doesn't work like that. You can't bring money on Saturdays. I will have to do it on Monday. That Monday, I had overslept. I said, Kelly, I'm sorry. I forgot the money at home. I said, but give me a minute. I'm getting ready to call a mutual friend of ours.
Okay.
So I called her
Right.
to see if she would do it for me.
So she took the money down to Kelly?
No.
Okay. So I'm gathering then that you never did get the $20 in your commissary. Never
no.
did. Okay, so then we get out of jail, and what happened?
So that Friday was the night of the Jazz Festival, which is a concert that they have in Cincinnati. We all went to the fest, and after the fest, we decided, okay, well, let's go have some drinks.
At Fat Daddy's?
Correct.
Okay, well, how did you lose your hair?
She tapped me on the shoulder and said, can I talk to you for a minute? And at the time, I didn't even notice Kelly had taken her shoes off.
You took your shoes off, Kelly?
No.
Oh.
She's leaving out a bunch of key points.
Okay, just tell me the key points, real key points now.
The key point is, it was word exchange before I told her, keywords, she was exchanging words with me behind the bar. She was calling me bees and hoes. That's when I came, after I got tired of all the name calling. I said, Nakia, now, you know we gotta work together. We need to be cordial.
Okay.
She said, you right.
Let me ask you, what happened when we got outside?
Kelly said, why didn't you text me this morning, Nakia, and tell me that you couldn't send me the money? I said, Kelly, I thought we squashed this. I said, I don't want to talk about this tonight. I thought we had already settled this. I turned to walk in the door, and next thing I know, I'm getting punched in the mouth.
Right.
Kelly reaches around and said, this is what I do to friends that lie to me, and punched me in my mouth, grabbed my hair. I'm literally hearing my hair come out my head.
Let me hear your side.
I said, so I called her a bee. I called her a fat bee. That's what she was like. You must don't know, these are her exact words, you must don't know who I am. Pat! Punch me in my head. She punched me right here on my forehead.
Okay, so she punched you on your forehead, and then what was your response?
My response back is to punch her back. I punched her.
Where did you punch her?
I punched her in the nose, and I kept punching her.
Let me ask a question. Who was it that suggested that we go outside?
Kelly.
When I think about the motive, the plaintiff didn't have any motive to attack you, okay?
That's
the
true.
person with the motive was you, not her.
That's
It
not
makes
true.
absolutely no sense that she would attack you because she didn't give you $20. You were upset.
That's your opinion.
Excuse me.
That's
and
your
guess
opinion.
what? It's my opinion that counts. I am ready to rule. Judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $300. Good luck to you.
Thank you.